By the way, today's tutorial is not a masterclass in design. It's more about where to find free images and how to put them together in Affinity Photo. That said, most t-shirt printing companies have a maximum size of about 12 inches by 16 inches for the front or back of a shirt. So I like to start with that as my canvas size, just to make sure my design will fit. The first free resource I'll use is right here in Affinity Photo. I'll go to the stock panel and grab a free image from pixabay.com. Wow, that baby is so cute. You can get this and a lot of other free images, videos, and even audio on pixabay.com and pexels.com. They are great resources. Now, let's size this precious little fella just right so he shows up nice on the front of a shirt. Okay, I want to remove the background, but I noticed that the little guy's skin tone is very close to the background. So I don't think the selection brush tool will work very well. Instead, I'll use the freehand selection tool to cut the baby out. I promise it won't hurt the tiny tot one bit. Okay, now that that's done, delete the background by going to the Selection tab in the menu, then clicking on Invert Pixel Selection. Then I'll press Delete. Oops, I forgot a couple things. This is an image file. You can tell by the icon on the left of the photo. I need to change it to a pixel layer by right-clicking on the layer and selecting Rasterize. That's better. Okay, now that that's done, delete the background by going to the Selection tab in the menu, then clicking on Invert Pixel Selection. Then I'll press Delete. Okay, now we're going to leave Affinity for a second and grab a chef's hat image off of Google. Pay attention here so you don't get into any copyright trouble. To find royalty-free images on Google, go to the Images tab after you search for the image you want and click on the filter button to the right. You should see a drop-down for license types. Click that and select Free to modify, share and use commercially. That should bring up free to use images. Here we go. There's not a huge selection, but this one should do nicely. This one already has a transparent background, so I'll just copy and paste it onto my canvas. Easy breezy. Now, I just need to size it and place it on the baby's head. And I'll click on the adjustment button at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose the HSL adjustment. I'll set the saturation to 100% to get rid of any color, and I'll adjust the luminosity until it seems to match the lighting of the baby. That looks great. I'll add my own background by clicking on the Shapes box to the left and dragging a rectangle over the baby chef. Let's drop it to the bottom layer. Give it a little outline. And then I'll go to the FX button and add a nice radial gradient to the background to make the baby stand out. Let's invert that gradient and adjust it a bit. Okay, we'll make it a little bigger to add some text. Let's clean this up a bit. And voila, we're done. We've made a t-shirt in under 6 minutes. Imagine what we could do if we put a little time into it. That's it for this edition. If you like today's content, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. Have a great day.